Hello, my name's Aaron Stump, and I'm just finishing an install of an Oneida dust collection system. This is for a client's house, and he's got a couple of different tools that we're running. And yeah, here is the system. We ended up levitating the whole system about 5 feet off the ground, so we still had space for our garbage cans underneath. And then I used not the spiral ducting, but straight ducting, and ended up taping all the seams. This is some of the stuff that is on the outside of the shop. This one over here that you can see, that is for the bench top dust collection part, but we will also have central air installed into the place. We'll walk around over to the rest of the shop. We've done quite a bit of work here. You can see where the system comes through the roof and travels all along and drops down into our belt sander and drum sander setup. We've got a couple of gates installed just below that one. I also have another gate for a hose system with all the tools lined up for the hose system, and then I also have a gate for a floor sweep as well. If we turn back around, here is the bench top that we've built, and you can see right here there's a little slider gate that lets us just have a vacuum port directly off of the bench top. And we travel along a little bit further. We've got a hose drop for our chop saw, but also as you look up there, we've got another remote hose that'll let us drop down into the center of the shop. Also, as we keep on traveling down the line, I've got two hoses set up, a 4-inch and a 2-inch. To attach to the Delta table saw as well as the router table. So now we've got full systems for keeping the shop clean.